honestly. I don't know why she's whispering. Like, we can talk normal volume, maybe just a little bit lower, but you do you, boo.
It's for the ASMR of whispering.
It's for the intensity. Dun dun dun.
Intensity.
We made it to the train.
We have made it onto the train. We are sitting in business class because the price is cheap.
And we're bougie like that.
And we're just bougie and have like 3 luggages, 2 backpacks, 2 bags. Yeah, let's not talk about that.
We've got a 4-hour train ride, so let's buckle in. Not literally, because we don't have seatbelts. Oh yeah, these recline, by the way.
So you might be wondering, what does a business class seat on the ETS to Penang look like? Well, the answer is it's a pretty big seat, super comfy, super cushiony, and on the right and left of me we have these little red panels. On the right side you can pull it up and bam! You got a table/desk.
For assistance, please approach students or students on duty.
Put that away. And then to the left, you might need 2 hands for this part. We got a little entertainment screen. That's not in English. Since the train is moving so fast in more remote areas, the Wi-Fi on the train is a little bit spotty. Same with the data, but that's kind of just what you have to expect when you're boarding onto a train.
Just for reference, I'm about 6'5", maybe just a little over 6'6", and I have enough leg room to reach. We just got our lunch kit and we're about to munch. But before we eat, let's give you a quick tour of what we got. We got this business class snack box, which comes with juice, peanuts, and a special surprise that I'm going to show you at the end. Next, we got rice, chicken, and some sort of veggie that I don't know what it is. Looks delicious.
So if I were to rate that meal, I'd probably give it like a 7.5 out of 10. Something about that rice just hit different. Maybe I was just hungry, but the spice level was just perfect.
Spend time with my family like children.
Yeah.
But now my all children is second level study.
This is the biggest and fattest luggage. And the most unnecessary one too. Do you think that's gonna break the lock?
Might actually.
It's number 2. Let it close.
Boom. Tuck my shirt.
We have made it onto the bus. Wait, this isn't a bus. It's so heavy.